Okay, here's something I wanted to do for a very long time. As you can see, I'm in a very rural area. So this is a dirt road. And here's where I'm at. So I have this extension cord. I couldn't get it up too high, but it is off the ground, which is what I found that always matters. As you can see, I have it running about 5.5 feet off the ground. I have it going up into these trees. Right here. And cuts up into here. It goes down around here, up here, and then finally all the way to the radio. Now, the wire runs to about that tree right there. You can see it. I have it in the pattern because that's what works the best, well, at least for the situation. And this is my radio, the Grundig Satellite 750. This is something I've never picked up during the day before, but this is CRI in Russian. So far in the past 30 minutes, this is what I picked up. Quite a bit of stuff. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna see what we're picking up. So we're gonna go down to the bottom here. This is out of Pennsylvania. WBCQ. WCR. This is CRI in English. I don't have this marked down, so I don't know where in China this is. This is CRI English. I've never picked this one up before. This should be, let's see, Voice of Turkey. They must have went off the air, but they're coming in pretty strong. Usually they don't go off the air until 5, so I don't know what happened there. CRI Russian again. $9585. CRI Serbian. I also picked up CRI Serbian on this frequency. You can hear it, it's pretty weak. Usually this frequency or this band doesn't come in that well during the day, but it's coming in good, well, fairly good considering the circumstances for today with this long antenna. So yeah, it's the CRI Serbian on the 41 meter band. So, and during the day, so this is around 4 o'clock here local time. And it's amazing that I'm able to pick this up at all. WBCQ. I don't know what the hell this is. It's weird. I've never picked that up before. If anyone knows what this is, let me know. CRI on 9.6 megahertz. Usually doesn't come in that well until the wintertime. All India Radio.